In Threads, when you're posting something, you can tag someone if you want. In this video, we'll explain how to tag someone in your Threads post. First, open the Threads app. Then, down here, you'll see a plus button. When you click it, you'll land on a page like this. Here, you can see the option to add a new thread. If you want to type something, you can type it here. If you want to add photos, you can do that from here. Clicking this button takes you to your gallery. Anyway, if you want to tag someone, here's what you do: press the key. When you type @ you'll see some suggestions. You can pick any profile from there. Or, if you want to search for a specific profile, you can do that here. Just click the @ button again, then search for the profile name. As you search for that profile, you'll see some suggestions. From those, you can choose whichever profile you want. For example, I'm picking this one. Since it's an Instagram account, a notification pops up like this. Anyway, click OK. That way, you can mention them on Instagram too. After that, you'll see the anyone can reply and quote setting here. If you want to change it, you can. This controls who can reply to your post. If it's set to anyone, everyone can reply and quote. If it's set to profiles you follow, only people you follow can reply and quote. Or, if you choose mentioned only those you tagged can reply and quote. Anyway, to share your post, just hit the post button. Once you click it, your post goes live. That's how you can easily tag someone in your Threads post. Hope this video helped. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next one.